Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I want to talk about the top 5 reasons why you should learn machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that involves training computer algorithms to learn from data and make decisions or predictions based on that learning. It is a rapidly growing field with a lot of potential, and there are many good reasons why you should consider learning it. Reason number 1. Machine learning is in high demand. The demand for machine learning experts is growing at an unprecedented rate, and there are not enough qualified professionals to meet that demand. As a result, learning machine learning can open up many job opportunities and make you highly marketable in the tech industry. Reason number 2. Machine learning can be applied to a wide range of fields. Machine learning has applications in almost every field you can think of, from healthcare to finance, from marketing to transportation. It can be used to predict disease outbreaks, improve traffic flow, optimize investment portfolios, and much more. Reason number 3. Machine learning can help you make better decisions. By analyzing large amounts of data, machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and insights that are not visible to the human eye. This can help you make better decisions in almost any area of life, from personal finance to business strategy. Reason number 4. Machine learning can be used to create intelligent machines. One of the most exciting aspects of machine learning is that it can be used to create intelligent machines that can learn from experience, adapt to new situations, and make decisions on their own. This has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. Reason number 5. Machine learning is fun. Finally, let's not forget that learning machine learning can be a lot of fun. It involves solving complex problems, working with big data sets, and building intelligent systems. If you are someone who enjoys a good challenge, then machine learning might just be the perfect hobby for you. So those are my top 5 reasons why you should learn machine learning. If you found this video helpful, please click the subscribe button below and turn on notifications to stay up to date with my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.